Mabuting araw. Karon tudluan ta mo unsaon pag-file og disability benefit application through online. Since daghan og nagapangutana, asa pwede mag-file og SSS disability benefit application. Pwede ba online mag-file or need ba gyud mo adto sa pinakaduol na SSS branch? Iandam lamang ang mga musunod. Una, properly filled out disability benefit application form. Ikaduha, members claimant, photo and signature card. Katulo, ang SSS medical certificate. Ug ang last, medical documents or records. Alang sa complete requirements, mobisita lamang sa pinakaduol na SSS branch sa inyong lugar. Aduna lamang 9 ka steps sa pag-file online sa disability benefit application. Una, i-search lang sa Google Chrome ang member.sss.gov.ph or my.account.sss. Ikaduha, enter lang ang imuhang registered account user ID and password. Katulo, choose benefits. Kaupat, choose apply disability claim. Ikalima, basahon usa ang reminders, dini-check or tick, and certify and proceed. Ikaunom, i-enter lang ang license number of attending physician and select preferred disbursement account. Ikapito, attach documentary requirements sama sa medical certificate or certificates, supporting medical documents including disability application form, valid ID, proof of account, and members claimant photo and signature card. Number 8, i-tick or check certify and submit. Mag-display sa screen that you have successfully submitted your disability claim application to SSS. With SSS claim and reference number, your claim application will be forwarded to the Medical Evaluation Center for evaluation. You will be informed of the result through another email. Processing of claim for payment will start once claim has been approved by the medical specialist. Ug ang pinaka-last, makadawat kag first email notification sama sa mag-pop-up sa screen. Ug another email if approved or rejected. Pwede na mag-submit og disability application through online nga dili na mobisita or mag-submit sa branch unless ug naay advice na mag-visit ka sa SSS branch. Kung aduna mo'y additional questions, please don't hesitate to visit nearest SSS branch. Daghang salamat mga kaibigan, paalam.